everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Today today is a jollof rice moment and I'm so happy because I actually love jollof rice. So I'm just coming from the market and I want to show you guys how I prepare my jollof rice. I call it a signature jollof rice. Maybe this is going to be different than the one you have tried or the one you see on the internet. But I promise you, you try my own. It's a no going back. So let me show you how I do it. So in my pot, I already have my chicken in there. Jollof rice without chicken is how to say it. But yeah, I have my chicken and I'm going to go in with this is onion, ginger, garlic mix and to season the chicken. I'm using this and this too. So now I've already seasoned my chicken and I'm going to let this cook for 10-15 minutes. So we'll cover it and first I'll allow it to steam and I will stir it and add a little bit of water because I need the stock. I'm using the stock to cook my jollof rice. Our chicken is already steamed. We'll add a little bit of water. I'll add a little bit of water and I'll let it boil for a while. Our meat is ready. I'm going to transfer this into a bowl. So for my sauce, because you need a sauce to cook your jollof rice, I'm going to go in with, I actually prefer this method. You can you can grill your own vegetables. You can decide to grill it, you can decide to air fry it. It depends if you don't want too much oil. So for me, I don't want too much oil, so I'll go in with the steaming method. I'm going to steam it. I have in here yellow, green, and red bell pepper, tomato, I have garlic, and I have the chili pepper as well. So I'm going to allow this to steam and I will turn it into a paste. That's what I'm going to use for my jollof rice. So let's give this like 15 minutes. Yeah. So my pepper mix is ready. As you can see, I'm going to transfer this into a blender and I'll blend it until it's very smooth. I have in here my onion and oil. That is it. Please, guys, I thank you for watching. I thank you for your support, even if it's little. I thank you for the comments. Thank you for the likes and the share. I really appreciate. I don't know why you guys are not saying anything. You guys are not telling me where you're watching me from. Tell me please where you're watching me from, and I will send you a shout out on my next video. So don't forget to like, to subscribe, to share as well. This is, I'm going to go in with this. Yeah. So we are going to dish this out now. Our jollof rice is ready. By the way, I like jasmine rice. That's why I use it. So you can use any rice of your choice. It's perfectly fine. So guys, let me know in the comments if you try this. You are all invited to join me. I hope you try my recipe. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. And please